Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be replacing the rear glass on a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. Although this glass isn't broken, it is very scratched up, so I want to replace it. First I'm going to apply some heat to the edge using a hairdryer. The heat helps to loosen the adhesive that's holding the back on. Now I'm using an iFixit jimmy, inserting it into the gap between the rear glass and the outer frame. Once it's in the gap, I run it along the edge to separate the glass from the frame. To prevent the glass from sticking back down, I'm using these guitar picks from iFixit, inserting them into the gap I just created. Now it's just a matter of doing the same along each edge. Apply heat, slide the jimmy along the side I just heated, and then insert some picks. I have to be careful in this area around the camera, only inserting the jimmy a very short distance to avoid damaging anything. Once 3 sides have been done, I can remove the picks and apply some more heat to the bottom edge. With all the edges detached, I can lift up the back cover, rotating it from the side with the camera. I have to be careful when doing this as the fingerprint sensor is still connected by a flex cable. To remove the sensor, I just use my fingers to lift it out and then carefully detach the flex cable from where it's adhered to the rear cover. With the rear cover removed, the next step is to remove all of the remaining adhesive from around the edges of the phone. This was the most time-consuming part of the entire process, but it has to be done as if there's any adhesive left, the new cover won't sit flush with the outer frame. I found that the easiest method is to try and roll the adhesive into a ball. As you roll it along the edge, the adhesive underneath sticks to it and gets lifted off. With the adhesive gone, I'm using a Q-tip dampened in isopropyl alcohol to remove any residue, so that I have a nice clean surface for the new adhesive to stick to. Now it's time to install the new rear glass. It has its own adhesive already installed, so I just need to peel off the protective cover, insert the fingerprint sensor back into its hole and reattach the flex cable. Now I align the new cover using the camera bulge as a guide and lower it into place. When I'm sure that it's aligned correctly, I press down along each edge with my finger to ensure that it's properly stuck down. Finally, a quick check of the fingerprint sensor to make sure that it's working, and that's it, the rear cover has been replaced. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.